Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're excited to introduce the Pamo Babe Playard Deluxe Nursery Center, a versatile and foldable playpen designed for babies and toddlers that combines functionality with convenience. This 4-in-1 multi-function playard serves as a spacious toddler play area, an infant bassinet, a newborn bassinet, and a handy diaper changer for quick and easy changes. Assembling the playard is a breeze if you follow the correct steps. First, pull up the 4 sides, then press down the bottom. When it's time to pack up, simply pull up the drawstring at the bottom and then collapse the 4 sides for easy folding. The included portable carrying bag makes it convenient for parents to transport, ensuring your little one can sleep and play comfortably wherever you go. With breathable mesh sides, you can keep an eye on your baby while ensuring a steady flow of air for their comfort and safety. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful product reviews. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.